Hi everyone, it is Erin, or in this case Rennie. Welcome back and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are doing hair tutorials. As you guys can see, I'm back home for this long weekend. It is, I believe it is the 19th. Yeah, the 19th of March today. And it is Human Rights Day on Monday. So I came back for the weekend to be with my family because I love my family so much. I love you. In this video we are going to do hair tutorials. Currently I have my hair straightened because I think last week when I washed it I had it in curlers, so it was like very curly and everywhere. Then I decided to blow dry out my roots, which was a very good decision. But the moment when I had movement class, the day was cold and I sweat a lot, and then my hair was like but otherwise now I decided to straighten it, and I believe it is the very first time that I have my bangs out. Yeah, I don't think I ever had my bangs out since I had it cut, and I had my hair cut in December. So yeah, this is the length of my hair. I had my hair over here like Edna mode, and then luckily it grew out, so it's somewhere here now. And as you guys can see, this is me with my hair out straightened. Anyways, let's get into the video. So a lot of the short hair pictures that I got on Pinterest, they are pretty like normal what you can do with short hair, in terms of like you can't like put all your hair up unless like you slick it to the very top. But one of like the next one is actually quite my favorite. It is like a normal, like just like a normal braid going there, but what the girl did wasn't braids like 3 pieces or 4 pieces or 5 pieces, just the twisty ones. And that's literally what I did like 2 days ago when my hair was still a bit curly. So I think what I'm going to do is just take one piece out, one piece out, and then just twist the rest in. It's going to be a very open space here, but anyways, let's try it. And then I'm going to add butterfly clips. So I think since I am wearing a shirt with kind of green in it, I might go with the green. Is it going to match, or should I rather go for, no, I feel like the green is a bit more out there. Okay, so just twist it normally and clip it with the butterfly clip. So let's go. I'm going to add a bobby pin with it just to secure it in case my hair wants to untwist. Actually, oh, that's cute. And then another bobby pin. I have to make sure I pick out the right area in the front. Yeah, that looks pretty symmetrical. And then twist. And then you can just like align it to make it a bit more. Well, I kind of like it with this hair out. Here we go. Let me see if I can. Oh, no. Let me not do that. Let me not do that. Yes. And like since I had my hair bleached in the front, my front hair is a bit uneven, so this side is significantly longer than this side, but it's like this side is longer, this side is shorter, then this side is longer and this side is shorter. So I don't think I'm going to bleach my hairline ever again because it is a bit problematic, even though in a moment it is fun. Okay, so here we go. Okay, next up I'm just going to braid this part down and to have my bangs out. So I think it will be significantly easier than to do the oh, I don't think that's straight. Oh, it kind of is straight. Okay, it's sort of kind of straight. I think this is just like a normal 3-strand braid that she did. I'm not sure whether it's inverted or like outverted. I don't think that's a word. But I'm going to make it a normal Dutch braid. Thinking about it, like as I'm going into my next hairstyle, this could be one. Or like if you want to, you can like let me bobby pan these babies to the back. Yeah, I keep all my hair thing in this like Kotex thing. I know it's for pads, but also it's very helpful for hair stuff. Yeah. Very random, Aaron, but yeah. So just stick everything back, bangs out of the face. There we go. Another one. Bangs out of the face. And also, I'm not sure whether you guys have seen, well, I look like a big 4-headed baby. Okay. I don't know whether you guys have seen those like chunky clips that I have. I usually wear them when I wear turbans, but I also feel like if you put clips in this, it might look a bit cuter, but also it depends on what style you're going for. So for my matric farewell, I did this sleek back thing for my photos, but for the actual event, I had my bangs out because I had like a massive pimple right here, and it wasn't doing it for me. So let me just try to there we go. Yeah, there we go. It's like a very simple laid back thing. If you want, as I said, you can add clips or whatever. Let me use the pink. You can also distribute them however you like. So I'm just going to put them normally here. It's kind of similar to the one I did with the green ones, but obviously without the twisty turning thing. But what I would do is probably like stick them here and then the other side. Oh, there we go. Yeah, there we go. A cute impromptu one. I think they're flying in the same direction though. It would be kind of cute if you like align them in circles. I need to try that one day. Okay, I had like a moment of thinking and like, would it look cute? But I think it would look cute. Okay, let's move on to the actual one that I wanted to do. It is a turban. I know that usually when I have my hair straightened, I don't easily wear turbans because how the heck am I going to? But I have this. So let me. Okay, I had to pick up my head. I'm not sure what it's called. Like I know it as a swirl coat, just because like my mom used to take what are they called, like leggings, but those sheer leggings, and just like cut it off at the foot and then out, and then we would just use it as a hair cap thing. So I know it's a swilkos, and even when I do have a proper hair cap thing, I still call it a swilkos. Okay, let's start. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out, is that big? Yeah, that's pretty okay. And then let me just make sure it's symmetrical. But that's kind of symmetrical. And then it seems like she had a little bit of hair out. I keep on forgetting what my helix piercing. A little bit of hair out here. Yeah, is it? Like literally is a mirror here and I'm still looking over there. Okay, I think, yeah, like that. And then similarly, well, that is very different in size, hey? Less hair perhaps, and then less hair here. And then I'm just going to tie my hair back and put on the hair cap. So, let me just maak my hare agter vas. Okay, wait. I look like a psycho. Okay, let me fix the rest of my bangs. This side as well. And even if you want to, this could be a hairstyle. You can slick it a bit more and make it a bit more neat, but wait, oh my goodness. Okay, just tuck up behind my ear. Then I'm going to put on the head cap. I keep on changing the name each time I refer to it. Okay. And then let's go. I'm not sure how I'm going to do this because, as I said, usually when I have my hair in a turban or head wrap, my hair is pretty thick, so I can just like make it in a big bun. But since I have this like tiny bun, I'm not sure where this is still going to go over the bun. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to see if I can wrap it around the tiny bun, but I'm first going to tie it normally at the back, the material meaning. Nope, it's not going around. Never mind, I'm just going to, I don't know whether you guys can see it, but I'm going to do this to have it a bit more secure. And then usually what I do is I twist the beginning of the two pieces of access, and then I just twirl it around, and as I go I twist it. And then at the end, all you can do is just tuck it into the pieces and you fix it here. Let me fix my hair. It's not exactly similar like the video, the picture meaning, but it is the same type of vibe. Let's see if I can. And that is it for this video, everyone. Thank you so much for sticking around. Thank you so much for doing hair with me. If you did it with me, thank you. If you're only watching, planning on doing it, thank you. Yeah, it kind of feels weird because like the past, I think, no, wait, like last week, we celebrated 1 year of Renee's POV. And since then, I'm like genuinely excited. Like I'm even more excited to release new content. So please stick around. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, share, and comment. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye everyone. Mwah. It's like a Polaroid love. You're very sweaty right now.